Hello everyone. Welcome to the video lecture series on Advanced Data Visualization Solutions by Pact Publishing. My name is Mohammad Topiwala and I am a data scientist. My core work areas are machine learning and data visualization. Let me give you a brief overview of the course. We begin this course by explaining how one can make optimized and quick loading visualizations. So, we show you how you are supposed to select your data wisely and ensure that the data that you use for your visualization is limited and is only essential for the data visualization and you're not loading something extra. For example, we show our users how they can put in SQL queries within Tableau, or we show them how they can filter their data in order to reduce the query load time and to make their visualizations much more faster by helping them taking extracts. We then show our users the common and major mistakes that people make during data visualization, and we analyze mistakes made by others in order to ensure that our users do not repeat them. We give our users various examples of how they should not be representing their data by giving them examples of visualizations which are incorrect and do not make any sense. We give various examples of visualizations which are wrong, which are not giving out a correct meaning, as well as we show various examples which are correct visualizations and what our users can refer to as a good guideline of data visualization. In the ending, we want to show users how they can use Tableau like a complete pro. We want them to understand how to use each and every feature that is existing in Tableau. So we show them various calculated fields and how they can make use of various functions within Tableau, which gives them complete power of data visualization and how they can use their data in Tableau. We give several examples and show users how they can enter formulas and functions and various kinds of codes within Tableau in order to achieve results which they could not normally achieve via the data that is already present. We help them create functions which help to add additional value to the existing data, thus making much better data visualizations. We finally move on to R Shiny. The reason why we stress on R Shiny is that because no data visualization expert should be dependent upon one visualization tool. Of course, we all know that Tableau is very expensive and we may come across certain junctions during our work career that we cannot always afford Tableau. In that case, we can make use of R Shiny because we already know how to code in R. And if you know how to code in R, R Shiny is really easy. So we show our users how to create various applications in R Shiny. We explain to the user how each and every functionality within R Shiny is built by looking at the code and then coming back at the main screen that we are developing and how does the entire main screen work. How does the GUI work with the back server data. We explain the working of how data moves from one function to another function within R Shiny and how the R code processes it in order to create the final visualization. How variables store data and how data moves from the UI to the server and how the plots from the server move back to the UI, thus enabling our users to create a nice data visualization within R Shiny. R Shiny is amazing data visualization dashboard and it's really easy. It's free of cost. However, if you would like to load your visualizations, there might be a very small cost involved as compared to Tableau. We show our users how they can make use of R Shiny dashboards and how they can reuse the code in various work environments so that they do not need to code every time they are making a visualization. Rather, they can simply make use of Shiny and create a nice data visualization and have a good working visualization. a dynamic one. The course's main goals are to ensure that user who already has an idea of data visualization, who is already able to make good data visualizations, make data visualizations like a pro. We want our users to have a clear mindset on what are good visualizations and what are bad visualizations, and how on all costs to avoid bad visualizations. We want our users to get a firm grasp on how Tableau works and ensure that they understand all the functionalities with related to Tableau. Especially once we have done with Tableau, we want our users to understand how R-Shiny works, because the coding in R-Shiny is comparatively very easy as it makes use of the R code itself. The prerequisite for this course is users need to have a basic knowledge of Tableau and basic programming knowledge in R. You would also need a machine which either runs Windows or Mac OS. You cannot use Linux because we are using Tableau and Tableau is not supported on Linux. Your machine must have at least 4 GB of RAM and 500 MB graphic card. This is of course to ensure that the visualization software like Tableau and R can work smoothly. You might need Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets in order to load and view the data manually.